Hi there, this is Catherine. Thanks you for listening to my SEO Tips micro podcast. So, before we get into today's SEO tip, I just wanted to share with you the ways you can support the podcast if you're enjoying all the tips and finding them useful. So, you can send me a donation at buymeacoffee.com/Catherine W. Ong, O-N-G, and that's Catherine with a K. Any and all levels of donation are appreciated. It will help me offset the cost of producing the podcast. So, that's buymeacoffee.com/KATHERINEWONG. I'd also encourage you to subscribe to our email list to make sure you're not missing any future episodes or any other news about the SEO Tips podcast. And to do that, you'd go to wostrategies.com/newsletter. Okay, on with today's tip.
Heads up, podcasters and recipe sites, there's more untrackable traffic coming your way. Hello, thanks for listening to SEO Tips today. Google has added podcasts and recipe cards to the Assistant Snapshot feed. Remember Google Now? So the new name is Assistant Snapshot feed, and it has new features focused on increasing podcast listeners and surfacing recipe suggestions. Now, in the morning, you're going to get a card that highlights podcasts for you, and if you tap on that card, it will allow you to explore more podcasts. And the suggestions include current show subscriptions and those you might like based on your listening history. There's also this new Plan Today's Meals card. Google provides a sample image and other recipe details like ratings. Below that card, it provides filtering options that have terms like easy and healthy. And all these cards also display on smart displays. The challenge as a marketer is that the traffic from Google Assistant and smart displays will come through to your analytics as, quote, direct. So if you see new direct traffic coming your way, it could be that content is being featured and discovered by Google Assistant users. Thanks for listening. Come back tomorrow for another SEO tip.